IMEI serial number check. Serial number check option helps check the device history whether it is stolen or has any complaints or it's good to go. In the main dashboard, click function, then click serial number check option. Please remember that serial number status checking is not a free service. You will be charged 50p for each status check. So make sure that you have enough balance in your account. Enter the serial number and then click lookup device. You will not be charged for a lookup device. You will get the device name, model, make and other details on the result area. After verifying the details, then click Submit to Serial Number button. Please remember that you will be charged after clicking Submit. It will take few seconds to fetch the details. From the result, you need to focus on serial number check result and result color. If the result is passed and the result color is green, then the device status is clear and it is good to go. If the result is failed and the result color is red, then the device has some issues. Click View to check the order details. Click Serial Number Check History. The entire serial number check history. You can check the order details by clicking the serial number.